Cats, it is almost Halloween and I am so excited for our second annual costume contest. Last year was so much fun and I am so ready to do it again! Just as a reminder, here are the rules. You must post a photo of your costume somewhere where I can see it, preferably on Instagram, because that's where it's easiest for me to put everything in one place. But if you post it somewhere else, you have to make sure that it gets to me somehow, okay? Tag me in it on Instagram, or you can send it to me via DM if you'd like, or have your parents post it, tag me, send me a DM, whatever you want to do as long as I can see it somewhere. Your entry must be in by November 1st, so you have all day Halloween to wear it, and then the next day you can send it to me. Or you can send it to me anytime in the week leading up to Halloween. Or now. The winner will get a free piece of Dead Best Friend merch from my new merch line that's going to be dropping very soon, and the winner will be announced in my video on the second Monday of November. Just so you know, Halloween falls on a Sunday and we're gonna do a special live stream Halloween party. And then the next day on Monday, there's not gonna be a video because I've gotta sleep after partying so hard on Halloween. So we're gonna announce the costume contest winners the next Monday, so the second Monday of November. Remember that. You can dress up as anything you want, anything at all. But know that I will give special points to anyone who dresses up as one of my favorite characters. That means Flash Pop, that means Lilly from DBF, that means Mulan. Okay, so basically anyone that I have played before on YouTube. Last year we had some amazing entries. We had tons of Flash Pops, but we also had Siphony and Crystal Pops and a whole bunch of other super cool characters. Last year I also did a Flash Pop makeup tutorial, which a bunch of you watched, and if you haven't seen it, you can watch it right here. This year I thought I'd do a costume tutorial for Lilly, one of the main characters from my new series, Dead Best Friend. If you haven't watched my new series, Dead Best Friend, you can binge watch the whole season so far up here in this playlist. So today, I'm going to show you how I put together Lilly's costumes both from when she's alive and when she's a ghost. Let's get started. When she's alive, Lilly is very natural and also very exuberant. She's a teenager, she's a cheerleader, and it's her birthday on the last day of school. So when I play Living Lilly, I do a very natural, very simple makeup look. Most importantly, because she's very alive and very active, I put on a lot of blush. So a lot of blush on her cheeks and on her nose. Then I'll add a little bit of eyeliner, not too much, just a little bit. Voila, just like that. Then lastly, a bit of tinted lip gloss. And that should do the trick. Next, her hair. I used to have bangs when we first filmed DBF, but now I don't anymore. I also chose to make my hair very curly when I played Lilly, but I think a nice soft wave should work for right now. All of the cheerleaders wear a big purple bow in the middle of their hair. So we're gonna take the middle of my hair, just like that. We're gonna pull it back in the front and give it a tiny twist so that it all comes together. Little twist. And then, right in the middle of my head, I'm gonna put the bow to hold it in place. Right there. So, sometimes I will also put my hair in a little ponytail up here so that it stands up, which is super cute. But today I'm gonna keep it simple and just put a bow in the middle of my hair. Lastly, we need a purple cheer uniform. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Isn't it cute? I just love the color purple. I got my cheer costume on Omni Cheer, but if you want a similar uniform in kid sizes, click the links in the description below. And voila! I am Living Lilly. But now it's time to get spooky. Let's switch to Ghost Lilly. When Lilly is dead, she's more supernatural and mysterious looking. That means more makeup. So we're gonna start from zero makeup now. When I play Ghost Lilly, I put a really pale shade of foundation all over my face. Whoop. It makes me look pretty pale and washed out already, doesn't it? Then I put on a tiny bit of blush, but only a little because Lilly is dead. Now, dead Lilly is more mysterious, so she gets darker eyeshadow. we're probably gonna do some pretty serious grays and blacks. Ooh, it's dark. Lilly also has special eyeliner, and you only notice it if you look really closely, but I'll show you how to do it. So her eyeliner comes out pretty far, right? And it comes out that far because it actually comes up too. It comes from in here. So she gets 2 lines of eyeshadow. One right along her eyelashes and one that comes in from above. Kind of like that. Lastly, Lilly's lips, when she's dead, aren't fully washed out. I use a light lip tint. It's actually kind of a dark lip tint, but I put it on lightly, and it looks like this. It seems dark at first, but it'll fade as it dries. But we're not done yet. When Lilly dies, her uniform turns black, and her bow turns black too. Here's her dead uniform. But the most iconic part of Lilly's whole look is her bright white ghost hair. So, let's change up our hair. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And there you have it! This is my dead Lilly ghost costume. All the way down to the black bow, which again, you can find if you click the links below. I really hope this year I get to see some Lillys in the costume contest. Comment down below what you're going to dress up as for Halloween, even if you aren't going to join my costume contest, but you should anyway. I'm gonna have multiple Halloween costumes and I'm really excited for you guys to see them. Speaking of Halloween, make sure you join me on live on Halloween, October 31st at 9 a.m. PST for my Halloween live party again this year. We are going to be doing another pumpkin carving contest and I need you to be there to help us vote on the winners. I did not win last time, but this year, maybe I have some tricks up my sleeve. I'm so excited to see all of your costumes this year, and so excited for Halloween like always. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all of that, and I will scare you later.